Best plastic trim adhesives securely restore and attach car trims, preventing loose pieces while improving appearance, durability, and protection. My today's video is about top 5 best plastic trim adhesives for cars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Fixbear Automotive Trim. This automotive trim adhesive is a practical solution for securely installing badges, moldings, rain guards, and exterior accessories without drilling or complicated tools. Its weather and heat-resistant design is especially useful for vehicles exposed to rain, strong sunlight, and temperatures up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, helping maintain a dependable hold over time. The bonding strength improves significantly with proper preparation. So cleaning surfaces thoroughly with isopropyl alcohol, applying firm pressure, and allowing up to 48 hours before car washes or high-speed driving are essential steps. An included adhesion promoter can further improve results on challenging plastics, such as PP, PE, TPO, and texture trims, though testing first is recommended. Overall, it offers a clean, durable installation when used on suitable surfaces, while avoiding soft leather, dusty, oily, or loose areas ensures the best possible performance. Now our second product is Automotive Body Adhesive Sealant. This automotive adhesive stands out with a premium silicone formula that combines flexibility, resilience, and excellent shock absorption, making it well-suited for demanding vehicle repairs. It creates strong, durable bonds between metal, plastic, and rubber, providing reliable support for trims and other automotive components. One of its key advantages is fast curing. It forms an initial bond within 5 to 10 minutes at room temperature and fully cures in about 24 hours, leaving a flexible, vibration-resistant seal. Its weather-resistant construction helps withstand temperature changes without cracking or shrinking, while the waterproof design can also help reduce unwanted noise. Application is straightforward. Simply attach the precision nozzle and apply where needed for a cleaner, more professional finish. With versatile uses for weather strips, door seals, plastic trim, sunroofs, and windshields, this sealant is a useful choice for various automotive maintenance and repair tasks. Our third product is Liftbond Car Trim Glue Silicone Sealant Black. This automotive body repair adhesive is designed to deliver a strong, durable bond for a wide range of car maintenance and repair tasks. Its weatherproof, waterproof, and temperature-resistant formula helps create reliable connections that can withstand demanding automotive conditions. The versatile adhesive works with materials such as metal, plastic, vinyl, weather stripping, and vinyl tops, making it useful for both interior and exterior repairs. A pointed precision nozzle provides better application control and can help fill small gaps, allowing for cleaner and more accurate repairs. The convenient 1.69 fluid ounces times 2 or 50 milliliters times 2 package provides enough adhesive for multiple projects without taking up much storage space. It also offers a relatively quick curing process, forming an initial bond within 5 to 10 minutes at room temperature and fully curing within 24 hours. Overall, it is a practical option for DIY automotive repairs and maintenance. Now number 4, Ionic 100 milliliters Headliner Repair Glue. This headliner repair glue is designed for quick, reliable bonding across a wide range of automotive and household materials. Its strong consistency and high tack help create secure, durable connections while maintaining good flexibility after curing, making it suitable for repairs where materials may experience movement or vibration. One of its biggest advantages is versatility, as it can bond leather and fabric while also working with materials such as canvas, sponge, wallpaper, and automotive interiors. The waterproof and heat-resistant formulation is particularly useful for car applications, helping maintain adhesion even when exposed to moisture and elevated temperatures. Its flexible, non-flammable design adds practicality for various repair and decorating projects. Whether fixing a sagging headliner, refreshing upholstery, or repairing interior surfaces, this adhesive offers a convenient solution for both indoor and outdoor use. Proper surface preparation can further improve bonding strength and long-term results. And our last choice is double-sided tape-heavy DUT. This heavy-duty mounting tape is a versatile solution for quick, tool-free mounting and repair jobs where a strong, dependable bond is needed. Its elastic adhesive technology provides excellent holding power while allowing some flexibility, making it suitable for applications ranging from car spoilers and body moldings to LED strips, security cameras, signs, nameplates, and household decorations. The fully sealed foam design helps resist water vapor, making the tape practical for kitchens, bathrooms, and outdoor environments. It also offers impressive temperature resistance from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, supporting reliable adhesion through demanding weather conditions. For colder installations below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, warming the tape with a hairdryer for about 15 seconds can improve bonding. Proper application is essential. Clean the surface, press firmly, and allow up to 48 hours before placing heavy loads. Overall, it offers a convenient, durable alternative to screws and other permanent mounting methods. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.